Pop quiz. Which note-taking method is best for every class? A. Outline. B. Cornell. C. Mind map. D. There is no one best method. Lock in your answer. Ready? Let's see if you're right. The correct answer is D. There's no single best method. The right method is the one that helps you process ideas and retain them. Remember, good notes are not a transcript. They are your thoughts on paper. In this video, you'll discover 5 research-backed note-taking methods and learn how to pick the best one for each class. We will compare their strengths, show quick builds, and walk through examples you can today. First, the big idea. Note-taking isn't about copying everything. It's about capturing what matters, organizing it clearly, and making review easier. The 5 methods we'll cover are outline, Cornell, mind map, charting, and sentence. Let's break them down using a visual model. Outline nests big ideas with subpoints. Cornell splits the page into notes, cues, and a summary. Mind maps radiate from a central concept. Charting organized information in columns for easy comparison. The sentence method logs one idea per line, fast and simple. Now let's walk through an example using the Cornell method for a biology lecture on photosynthesis. First, draw a vertical line to create 2 columns. A wider notes column on the right and a narrower cues column on the left. Then leave space at the bottom for a summary. During class, write brief phrases in the notes column. For a topic like photosynthesis, that might include input, process, and output. After class, go back and add cues in the left column. These could be guiding questions or key terms such as chloroplast or light-dependent reactions. Finally, write a short 2-sentence summary at the bottom. For example, photosynthesis uses light to produce sugars, and those sugars store energy for the plant. This structure helps you actively process the topic and makes reviewing photosynthesis much faster later on. But here's where many students go wrong. A common mistake is writing everything down verbatim, especially when typing. If you're using a laptop, focus on processing the ideas, not just copying the content. Keep your notes concise. Write short phrases, add meaningful cues, and summarize in your own words. Handwriting naturally slows you down, which gives your brain more time to think. But whether you type or write by hand, the key is the same: active processing. So far, you can now explain how to set up Cornell notes and why summarizing right after class boosts memory. Ready to lock it in? Tap the link for study guides and flashcards on this topic, so you can keep learning without missing a beat. Now, it's time to apply the methods. Match the class to the right approach. For dense comparisons, like history units or case studies, charting works best. For lectures with clear sections, an outline keeps your notes organized. For open discussions or brainstorming, mind maps capture connections without losing the big picture. Let's zoom in and see one method in action. Imagine you're in a literature class discussing symbolism in The Great Gatsby. Start your outline with clear Roman numeral headings. Number 1, colors. Number 2, objects. Number 3, settings. As the lecture progresses, indent supporting details under each category. For example, under objects, you might add green light and eyes billboard. Keep each point short, just key phrases, not full sentences. Leave space beneath each section so you can add quotes or deeper analysis later. This outline mirrors the structure of the lecture on The Great Gatsby and keeps major symbols organized for easier review before a test or essay. But choosing the right method isn't enough. You also have to use it well. A common problem with mind maps is clutter. Long sentences make them hard to read. Fix it by using 1 or 2 words per branch, color-coding related ideas, and limiting levels to what you can see at a glance. Remember, your goal is a clear, fast map, not a mini essay. Here's a quick guide to choosing the right note-taking method every time. First, ask yourself, what's your purpose? Are you capturing ideas or comparing details? Second, how is the class structured? Does it follow clear sections, or is it more open discussion? Third, what's the pace? Fast or moderate? And fourth, how will you review these notes later? If you're comparing information, charting works best. For structured lectures, outlines or Cornell notes keep everything organized. For brainstorming or free-form discussions, mind maps help you see connections. If the pace is very fast and the material is new, use the sentence method to capture everything first. Then refine and organize your notes after class. Let's recap. First, choose a method that fits your class. There's no single best method. Second, process ideas you write by using cues, summaries, and keywords. Third, make reviewing easy with a clear structure, whether that's Cornell sections, outline levels, or chart columns. Ready to quiz yourself with the content covered in this video? Check out the link in the description, where you'll find Quizlet content made just for you.